Stop wasting hours manually checking competitor prices or copy-pasting data into your spreadsheets. Today, I'm showing you how to build a fully hands-off system that monitors the web for you. We're using Decodo to bridge the gap between the internet and your favorite tools, creating a professional AI workflow automation that runs 24/7 without you lifting. Let's dive into this. The power of Decodo lies in its ability to live inside the tools you already use, like N8N or LangChain. This allows you to build complex AI workflow automation that triggers based on web changes without writing a single line of custom scraping logic. Here we've logged into Decodo. We're going to copy our basic authentication token, and then we're going to paste that into our n8n.cloud dashboard. And as we can see, it says connection tested successfully. Now we can use it to begin scraping. So what we can do here is actually type in our URL. This is a Walmart link to Apple AirPod Pros. We can select the geolocation or type it in. So we've got USA here. Then we can choose between fixed or expression. Next, we press go and allow the output to begin working. Here we can see it's come back with the result that we're looking for. And then now we have all of the metadata for that specific page. We can view this via schema, table, or JSON file. This is great for accessibility and porting it over to whatever app we need. We can also edit the output if we want. But overall, I would say this works fantastically. Now, the point is we could execute this to happen all of the time or daily to get updates on various different sites and links. Here we can go to our dashboard and we can see the success rate of certain automations, as well as other stats such as average response time and success rate as well. When you're running hundreds of requests, you can't afford to have your IP flagged or your scrapers blocked. Decodo handles the hard stuff like header management and retries automatically. They were even ranked 2 in Proxyway's independent 2025 web scraping API benchmark. Here we can see our usage statistics and then our pricing as well. So currently we're on the free plan, but we can see there are tons of options depending on the scale of our company. So this is basically cost-effective scaling with predictable pricing. Scaling an AI workflow automation shouldn't break the bank. Decodo offers a free plan with 2,000 requests for a full year with no credit card required, and their pay plans are based on actual usage, meaning you only pay for advanced features like JS rendering when you actually need them. At any time, we can click the upgrade button. Here we can see there are tons of payment options available, and just like any checkout page, we go ahead and purchase that. On the left-hand side, we can see we have access to everything, as well as our web scraping API integrations, video downloader, and there's even an AI parser there. You can set up this entire monitoring system for free right now. Click the link in the description to grab your 2,000 free requests from Decodo. No credit card needed. And use my code at the checkout for 10% off your first paid plan. That's going to be it from me. I will see you guys in the next video.